a one-pan meal kind of night, and my Arroz Con Pollo is the perfect recipe. But we're gonna spice it up a bit by making this my Adobo Arroz Con Pollo. So here we go. We're gonna start off by making my adobo: green bell pepper, some whole onions, some cilantro, tons of garlic because you know I love my garlic, and some culantro. Let's puree all of this together. And there you have it, our adobo is ready. Look at that. So we're gonna start off with some boneless chicken breast. We're gonna season it with some salt and black pepper. Add our adobo, and we're gonna make sure that each chicken is nice and coated with that adobo. Flip it around. Salt, black pepper, and more adobo. We're gonna heat up a cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, don't freak out. Use a regular pot. Once it's hot, we're gonna add our olive oil. And it's time to throw in our chicken. This hasn't even been cooking for a minute and it already smells amazing. Once it has a beautiful golden brown color like that, we're gonna turn it around to the other side. Now once the chicken is fully cooked, you could serve it just like that with some rice, but I wanna turn this into a nice rice recipe. So once my chicken is brown like that, I'm gonna deglaze the pan with some beer. In goes my rice. We season that with some salt, some black pepper, and in goes our chicken stock. We're gonna top this off with some aluminum foil, and into the oven it goes. And now it's time to try this delicious recipe. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. Definitely the taste of the culantro, the garlic, the cilantro, the beer. This is something I need you to try. I need you to try to make this at home, and I know you can make it because we made it together right now.